Hi guys, Calah here. Today, I'll show you some digital artwork inspired by this photo I found in Pinterest and some artwork I made up by myself. Let's start. First, the paper cutout effect. Now this is about how much I love galaxies and cats and constellations. I put a lot of stars, a shooting star, and cute cat paws, and a few planets. And don't forget, I put a cute cat rocket ship too. And more constellations. Last artwork is this. I just want to doodle some things about love, and this is how it turned out. How about you guys? What do you like to draw? You can write it down on the comment section below. Hope you like it, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!